So man, what's good, man? I'm back with another video. Actually, a banger. I ain't gonna lie. This one, like, this something I've been wanting to do for a very, 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 very long time. I've been wanting to really do this starting out, but I just ain't really like got the urge or the courage to do it. But now I'm gonna hop all the way in my bag, bro. Like, so if y'all didn't know, I'm a barber. Like, I could learn how to do content and a whole lot of other things, but I never put my how can I say this? I never put it on YouTube and never started to y'all with my barber content. Like, but from now on, y'all gonna start seeing more barber videos and be teaching like how to's and how to do a high tape, a low tape, a drop fade, like ball fade, how to do it, give a straight lining. Like, I'm just gonna hop all the way in my bag. But we built and stemmed off of like reacting to stuff, updating y'all on like the hip hop news and. No, I'm known. I'm good for the family vlogs with the kids and my old lady, you know. So I got to get back on that, bro. But right now, we finna get in our barber bag. You know what I'm saying? Fully just not giving out the content, not giving out the fucking talent. Like, we ain't showing the shit. Like, we just doing it. Just doing the shit in real life, bro, and just letting the shit go. Like, it ain't. Nah, I'm tired of doing that, bro. It's about time to. It's time to take this shit out of the way, get rich off this shit, bro. You know, leave like generational wealth for my babies, man. Say hi, daughter. Say hi. That's my baby girl, Zariah. Y'all done seen her. Y'all done watched her grow up on her. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna be using our 1.5, our 1.5, our 0.5 guard, and our 1 guard. So I don't need my 2 guard because he got like in between like good hair and coarse hair. So y'all see with the level open, I can take that 1 guard with the level open and make it a 2. Level fully closed, it'll be a 1 guard. You know what I'm saying? But level open, it'll work like a 1 guard, work like 2. You know what I'm saying? But I'll explain all that. We just don't get into the cut.
This ain't a letter, it's just a message. But name another nigga who you think gon' do it better. I say, in the past I did you wrong, I learned my lesson. I ain't got your trust, I'm confident, babe, you can tell. They don't wanna see me shine. I know I did you wrong, leave that shit left in the past, babe, let's make it to the top. They don't wanna see me shine. Yeah, I know I did you wrong, leave that shit left in the past, babe, let's make it to the top. Babe, let's make it to the top.
Remember days that I couldn't sleep, mind racing, I can't think. There's so much up on my plate, ain't got no appetite to eat. Mama tell me, son, just pray. I know that lady tired of me, don't wanna work, I want it now, only thinking about robberies. Told me stay down till I come up, but I ain't wanna listen. Then the nigga face on the news, they wanna say I'm tripping. Everybody faking, moving words, so I just keep my distance. They always say can't take the heat to stay up.
So our first step, we're gonna go in with the 1.5 guard, level fully closed. And we just gonna, what I'm doing here is just cutting everything, cutting the hair down evenly so we can see what we doing. Basically prepping ourselves for the tape. So you wanna get everything even, and you basically wanna go with whatever guard and however low your client wants you to go. So you'll ask them how low you want them to cut it, you know what I'm saying? And they say, I want it all even with a 2 or a 1, 1.5. That's what you're gonna go with. But we basically prepping for the tape. Alright, so what we doing now is we setting in our first ball guideline. When you do this is basically prepping for the tape as well. You just setting your first guideline and we're gonna tape up. A lot of people tape down, but it's easier for me to tape up, you know what I'm saying, and just go with the flow. So what you see me doing is I'm using my guards. No guards, I'm just using my clippers, no guards, level fully open. You just want to get knock that first guideline out the way. And that way, you know what I'm saying, we taping up, not down. So my technique is my technique. If it's easier for you to tape down, you can do it that way or you can do it my way. Either way, we're going to get the job done. It's going to be some gas. So what you want to do, what you see me doing now, is I got my 1.5 guard, lever fully closed. And what I'm doing, I'm just knocking the excess chunks of hair out that you see, so we can get everything smooth, laid down neatly, nice. So this cut can come out how we want it to come out, man. Y'all know, man, this is my first video doing a how-to video for the cuts.
But I've been doing this for a nice little minute, man. Like I say, the way my hands move with them clippers and them clippers move with my hands, everything coming out gas. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna get out my chair unsatisfied, man. So that's all we want, to satisfy clients only. That's all we looking for. That's all we going for. That's the fucking goal, and that's what we getting. So what you see me doing now, I got my 0.5 guard, and I'm just opening and closing my lever, you know what I'm saying, as I go. So you just basically want to knock them little bolts out where you set your guidelines at, so you can get everything blended nicely and just let it flow like the ocean, man.
I'm sipping pills, sit here reminisce about them talks me and mama had up in the kitchen. I'm sorry, mind that I didn't listen, but it's too late, no turning back, I'm knee deep in them trenches. But you know you got my heart still. Don't talk to Granny, but she know I miss her hot meals. Let's let daddy pass, I take that heart still. Then my brother died, that's why I'm feeling ill. I lost my mind when my brother died. This song dedicated to Lil Bob, and I can't cry. My tears are dry, my emotions numb, that's why I get hurt. I lost my mind when my brother died. This song dedicated to Lil Bob, and I can't cry. My tears are dry, my emotions numb, that's why I get high.
Alright, so right now, at this part of the video, yo, you just see me knocking off all of her. He don't want the facial hair, he just want his mustache and his little beard at the bottom. So we just knocking off all the excess hair off his face. And in this part, I'm just doing the same thing that I started off on the first side. You just repeat them same steps and do it on the other side, man. You're gonna come out with the same type of blend, same type of tape. You want your sides match up and look the same, bro. So you don't want one side looking higher or one side looking lower or one side looking darker, got more hair. You want to make sure you do these steps step by step, so everything can come out exactly how you want it, exactly how you imagine it, and exactly how your client asks, man. So that's all you want to do, is just start them guidelines and do the step by step for the first side, and just, you know what I'm saying, do the same thing on the other side, and you're gonna get the same results. And you just see, like I said, I'm just knocking off the excess hair off his face, because he want to still have that smooth young look, even though it's my little brother. He a young cat, man, but like I say, he ain't ready for the beard lifestyle yet, and I ain't neither. So we just knock that shit off, you know. We go with the flow. And what we doing right here, we getting the back of that ear, man. We starting off with our lineup. I always start with the back, cause you know I gotta get that out the way, so everything can lock in once we get to the front. So I really don't use hose and spray for the back, because it usually come out how it come out. It come out good always. Your back is more denser than your front for us when it comes to the lineup. So with the front and the back, it's totally different. But y'all see, man, it's nothing but gas, man. Y'all see how it's coming out. It's coming out strong, man. We gonna come out on top with this one, baby. I told y'all. This is my first video, but I've been barbering, and I've been in this lifestyle for about a good 6 years, going on 7. So yeah, well, what y'all see me doing right now is I'm applying the mousse on top of the front and to the front of the lining, so it can lay everything down and set us up for a nice, sharp, clean lineup, man. Gas. Okay, y'all, what y'all see what I'm doing right now? We just cleaning up the mustache and the beard area. We just, man, this cut coming along great. Just how I knew it was. Everything coming along, man. Everything gas. Like I said, as y'all see, man. Like I said, we new to this how-to video shit, but I'm kind of getting the hang of it, and I feel like I like it. I like it. Matter of fact, I love it. All gas, no brakes, man. Just get up, stand up. Alright, now this the part where I done watched a lot of barber slash content creators do, and they get a lot of backlash. And this is a client's request. What we're adding right here is enhancements, which my client don't really need enhancements, but it definitely enhances the lineup and to give us that extra pop, you know what I'm saying? And we not using that dye, none of that shit. We just throwing some little hair fibers on there, and the hair fibers is better than dye to me, cause you know what I'm saying, it just look more like hair. You see we locked it in with the hairspray, you know what I'm saying, so we can seal everything in and get everything how we need it, man. But now we hitting it with the razor, getting everything short, making sure everything nice and neat, staying intact. Just how we need it, just how we want it, just how everybody like it. Gas, no brakes, man. 314.
Man, so that's the cut. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy all the way in the game. You feel me? Shit, man, y'all already know what is going on, man. Y'all gonna see more shots because I'm gonna post on I'm gonna put some Instagram screenshot videos into this video when I edit it. So y'all can see some nice up close all the way around, you know what I'm saying? It's fucked up that I got the setting right here, but it's only gonna get greater later, you know what I'm saying? Like the setup, I'm doing this video off my webcam on my streaming setup. So yeah, until I get me a stand to where I can put the camera up and y'all can see everything and I can, you know. But yeah, man, it's the cut, man. Y'all seen it before. Y'all see the after. You know, my boy look like a whole new man. Yeah, man, it's time to go hood and some cheeks. You heard? Yeah, man, fresh cut, get the butt. Maniac Seals, y'all already know what's going on. My boy Rick Gang, Lil Red. We check it out, man.
Been in this shit since a kid, went from toy guns to sticks. Nowadays you see little niggas riding around with a switch. Had my first job at 15, now you